Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be recreating this Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's makeup tutorial which she wore in the red carpet of Cannes Film Festival 2018. So if you want to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. As you can see, I have done my base makeup off camera. Now I am setting my face with the LAKME 925 powder foundation. Now I'm bronzing up my face with the BAHAMA Mama bronzer by the BALM Cosmetics. I'm using my Forever 21 brush. For my blush, I'm using the pink shade from the NYKAA Sweet Cheeks palette. Now setting my face with the PAC setting spray. And for highlighter, I'm using first two shades from the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. And I'm using the Sigma powder swipe brush. For filling in my brows, I'm using the Sigma Brow Powder Duo. And for filling in, I'm using the Faces Dual Ended Brush. For my eye makeup, first I'm taking the Bahama Mama bronzer and I'm applying it on my crease with the blending brush. This is PAC 393. Now taking the silver shade from the Faces palette, I'm using it on my eyes with the same dual-ended brush. With that shade, I'm drawing a wing eyeliner. Now taking the same shade and applying it on the center of my eyelids as my eye base. Now taking the Faces pigment, I'm using the white shade and applying it all over that silver shade. Applying some NYX glitter primer and applying the Faces silver glitter over that. Applying Plum Kajal on my waterline. I'm also tight lining my eyes with it. Adding the same bronzer on my lower lash line. With Sugar eyeliner, I'm drawing a wing. Applying some mascara to finish off the eyes. Also highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone with the same highlighter. For falsies, I went with Pro Arte 53. And lastly, for my lipstick, I'm mixing a NYKAA Mattilicious lip crayon in pink on fleek and LAKME Masaba lip crayon in bubblegum pink. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all.